everyone, my name is Shanice. I'm from Tadika Alphabet Zulu. Today I will share with you about robots. Robots are smart machines and help people and do work. Robots can talk and even dance. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Now let me show you how I build my model. I'm done. Thank you for watching.